This week, we are working with a different type of source, a secondary source that is modeled like a primary source. The New York Times Opinionator blog has a feature titled Disunion, completely focused around the Civil War. In many of the posts, an author writes about something from a first-person perspective, as if they were experiencing the events as they happen. This is particularly insightful because the blog is well researched and written by experts in various historical disciplines. To find this source, go to the link provided with this video or Google New York Times Disunion. Although there is no way to search for topics within this blog, there are several ways that we will look at now that will allow you to focus on a particular topic and browse related posts. Start by scrolling through the blog to get a sense of the topics that were written about. The blog posts are arranged chronologically by the date of the historical event they refer to. Notice the related topics listed next to each post. These links will take you to other posts on the same topic, similar to how hashtags work on Twitter. Click on View All Posts to get back to the full list. Clicking this button brings you back to a list that does not include the first few posts. If you are interested in those, I would recommend going up to the URL and clearing off any letter, number, or symbol that appears after HTML. Also notice the timeline at the top of the page. Clicking one of these images will display only the blog posts from the time period associated with it. Another way to filter the blog posts is through the Explore Major Themes, People, and Places link. Here you can choose from a long list of topics that may interest you, all related to the Civil War. I'm going to choose Walt Whitman because I did not know that he had any relationship to the war. Next, I will select one of the posts. This one looks like it will talk about serious implications the war had on Whitman's life. Scroll down for the full text of the blog post along the left side of the screen. Notice the length and detail of the blog post, which discusses Whitman's life and how the outbreak of the Civil War had a profound effect on it. If you're interested in the topic you chose, you may be able to follow the links in the post to related resources. This one includes a link to an archive of art and literature by the Bohemians of Antebellum, New York, created by Lehigh University, and to a digitization of one of Whitman's notebooks. where you can toggle between the notebook itself and notes on it. Scroll to the bottom to see the sources that the author of this post used to make sure what he wrote was accurate and reliable. Notice how many references he includes. We also get to see more about the author, Tom Chafin. We see that he is a research professor of history, the author of several historical books, and the editor and director of the Correspondence of James K. Polk. He is definitely an expert and someone who is qualified to write a historical blog post for the Opinionator Disunion blog. Good luck in your exploration of a topic related to the Civil War.